Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to connect your LEDGER Nano S Plus to a PC. To connect it to a PC, you'll need to first go to ledger.com/start website. You can see it right here at the top. You'll need to go into that, then you can simply select download for Windows, for macOS, or for Linux, depending on which operating system you're using. And then you'll see it gets downloaded. In a moment I'll be able to open it. Of course, on different operating system the installation process might be a bit different. Like, I believe that for macOS it'll just be like DMG files where you can drag the file into applications folder. On Windows it's install. I'm not really sure, like, if for macOS it's DMG, maybe PKG, so like you just need to know how to install files on the macOS, right? Now you can see the Ledger Live opens. I can place it on here, and now let's get started. You can accept or refuse Ledger Live to improve and personalize experience by some telemetry and storing some data. It'll store a few data, but like analytics and personalization, but won't store your assets portfolio. Feel free to choose whatever you like. Now select LEDGER Nano S Plus from the list, and now I already have it like here. I already have it set up, you can see. So I'm gonna choose just connect your Nano S Plus. Then I'll need to connect it to a PC because currently I have it plugged into a charger. So I'll just replug it. And it has turned off because I think it was discharged. I don't really know if this device really has a battery. Now that the Nano X has a battery, but this one just doesn't display it's charging, so it may not have a battery or something. Let's click on check my Nano. It'll start checking. If it is genuine, I'll need to allow Ledger Manager. Yes, it says it's genuine. Let's continue. Now I'll just close it here, and you can go to my Ledger, and it's basically connected. You'll have OS updates, and there will be a video on it, by the way. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.